Hi everyone, it's Shintaro. Welcome to my channel. はい、皆さん、こんにちは。慎太郎です。元気ですか？ Have you heard of めんどくさい めんどくさい In this video, I'm going to talk about what does めんどくさい mean in Japanese. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. Okay, めんどくさい in the kanji version is gonna be like this. めんどくさいめんどくさい面倒 meaning is trouble, difficulty, care, attention, something like that. めんどくさい臭い in adjective, meaning is gonna be stinky, smelly. Actually, you can use 臭い as a suffix. The meaning is gonna be smelling of something, looking like something, or something-ish. めんどくさい It comes from 面倒 plus 臭い So めんどくさい meaning is gonna be troublesome, bothersome, something like that. Actually, you can use めんどくさい when you don't feel like doing something. For example, if you don't feel like doing cleaning, you can say 掃除するのめんどくさい I can't be bothered to do cleaning. 掃除するのめんどくさい掃除するのめんどくさい Next, if you have a test, you don't feel like taking a test, then you can say like this. 明日試験だめんどくさいな I have an exam tomorrow. It's pain in the neck. 明日試験だめんどくさいな明日試験だめんどくさいな Okay. The point is めんどくさい It is made up of めんど plus くさいめんどくさい And the meaning is troublesome, bothersome. You can say めんどくさい when you don't feel like doing something. 掃除するのめんどくさい掃除するのめんどくさい明日試験だめんどくさいな明日試験だめんどくさいな You can say めんどくさい when you don't feel like doing something, but don't use too much. Otherwise, people think you are a lazy person. Okay. That will be it. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok. If you like to learn Japanese language and culture more, check out my website. I put the link in the description. And there is a handmade explanation note about this video on my Patreon page. If you have a chance, check it out. I hope this video will help you learning Japanese. I would really appreciate it if you could give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you next time. またね。